Seafarers have stayed in the front line of the pushback against the COVID-19 pandemic, playing the essential role of maintaining uninterrupted movement of vital goods, including food and medical supplies. Their relevance is emphasized as the world marks the Seafarer Day. Dotun Oguyemi reports.
The measures adopted by countries across the globe to curb the spread of COVID-19 vary, but one thing is common: restriction of movement across territories through land and air travel. The maritime sector has, however, continued its operations due to the indispensable nature of its mandate, which is ensuring food, medical, petroleum and other essential supplies get to their destinations. The 25th of June every year has been designated by the International Maritime Organization as the Day of the Seafarer, in recognition to the efforts of these unsung heroes. Samuel is an engineer who is currently at sea on board an oil vessel. He says the day makes him feel special.
It hasn't been that easy, but I want to assure you guys that even when the world was on standstill, we seafarers were still trying to move the world economy.
The regulatory authority, the Nigerian Maritime Administration and Safety Agency, is concerned about seafarers' welfare, security, and building their technical capacity.
The issue of training is in banner. We are going to improve our own quality of training. The issue of equipment, we are doing that. The issue of their welfare, we are looking into it. We are CPRS Welfare Board, and so many other things that we have to do. Our own target is to make sure that our CPRS is being treated based on the international best practices, and we are not ready to compromise that.
In the same vein, the mission to seafarers in Nigeria is advocating safer working conditions.
And the governments, both local and international, need to recognize the importance of the services that these people provide. They need to be protected. They need to be serviced in terms of improved remuneration for these people.
The theme for the year is Seafarers are Key Workers. In Lagos, Dotun Oguyemi, NTA News.
The exponential increase in the spread of COVID-19 at the community level, particularly at the nation's nerve center, Lagos, is throwing up a great challenge, particularly in local government areas. Nosa Osula in this report takes a look at factors responsible for the surge of transmission in the affected communities and the way out.
The Nigeria Center for Disease Control recently released the list of the 20 local government areas that accounted for 60% of COVID-19 cases in the country. Data released by the NCDC showed that 11 of the 20 local government areas are in Lagos State. Lagos Mainland, Mushin, Etiosa, Alimosho, Koshofe, Ikeja, Oshodi Isolo, Apapa, Amuodofin, Lagos Island and Surulere local government areas have the highest number of confirmed COVID-19 cases in Lagos State. Although social distancing and self-isolation are effective ways to slow the spread of COVID-19, but many Lagos residents are ignoring public health guidance on coronavirus.
Keep on praying. I cannot continue like this, but we cooperate with the government, the federal, state and local government.
Just be aware that the virus is out there. So whatever you do, stay safe.
Some people believe it is not real. Some believe it is real.
Federal government has done its best, but the question is that the populace, in my own opinion, I think we have not done enough.
Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu made it clear that the most effective way to stem community transmission of the disease is for residents to live responsibly by following public health guidance on coronavirus.
We have engaged religious leaders, we have engaged community leaders, we have engaged different stakeholders to pass on these messages that these are the things, these are the little things we can do to ease the spread of the virus.
The governor assured residents that government is doing all it can to contain the spread of the virus. In Lagos, Nosa Osula, NTA News.
That's